Hey guys, good morning. It is currently 8:31. I am ready for the day. I'm gonna bring you guys with me to spend a productive day with me. So on the list, I'm going to an interview today at 10, so I'm dressed and ready to go. And then we're going to go grocery shopping, and I think later on we might go to my uncle's. Both of my uncles are having a birthday dinner at this seafood place. I think we're gonna go. I'm not really too sure. Yeah, so that is the plan for today. Oh, and then also when I get back, I need to do laundry and wipe down my surfaces and clean my room. We're gonna do that, but let me finish putting on lip gloss and perfume and then go. And I think me and my mom are also about to go get some coffee because I need some coffee so bad. So we're gonna go get some coffee. Let me finish this and then we can go. Alright guys, here's the fit. I have this sweater. I forgot where I got this sweater from. It was gifted to me a long time ago. I'm wearing some khaki pants and my New Balance 550s. Yes, that is the fit. And y'all, look, my dog has on his sweater because it's cold outside. And y'all, he got a haircut. He was looking a mess, but I got my baby on his sweater, freezing. My purse is in the car and now it's 8:35, so let's go. Can I have a small caramel iced coffee? Alright guys, we just came from McDonald's. I decided to get a McDonald's coffee. Their coffee, I don't care what nobody say, y'all be sleeping on McDonald's coffee. Their coffee cheap and good, like $2. But I got a small because I didn't want like that much coffee this morning. But I got a caramel iced coffee, and then I got a sausage biscuit because your girl is hungry and I gotta eat before I go to this interview, so my stomach don't be growling inside this building. But it is currently 9:13, and like I said, I don't have to be there till 10 o'clock. So I'm gonna finish my food and drink my coffee. I need some sugar. I forgot to tell my mom I'm gonna have to go. Yeah, I need some sugar because they just put the caramel and I forgot to say, hey, can you please give me sugar? I don't know what I was thinking. And then after my interview, we're gonna go grocery shopping because I thought we were gonna go before, but we don't have enough time to do that because we take a little minute when we be in that store. Hey y'all, I'm back home from my interview. It's 10:44, so I'm praying they call me back. It went really good, but I need to change out of these interview clothes and put on some jeans and like a different, like a sweater or something. Let me do that and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, this is what we changed it to. I put on a sweater, I have a tank top underneath, my little black jeans, and my shoes I was wearing earlier. Ooh, got hair on my shoes. But yeah, we can be cute and warm because it's freezing out the door. But we are now about to go grocery shopping. All right, y'all, we're at Walmart. We're about to go grocery shopping. Okay, I'm trying to see what I want. I'm in a Pop-Tart, but I don't think I want Pop-Tarts. I don't know, y'all. I need to go get me some Pop. Okay, I'm in the Poppies. Y'all, I'll tell y'all what happened in the car, but I got me some orange ones. And these come with 6, so that's good. Then I gotta get some coffee and creamer. I'm getting some snacks too. I'm gonna snack out. I don't know what I want. I want some chocolate. I got like one thing of chocolate. I don't know what I want. I never know. I can get some Teddy Grahams. I haven't had these in so long. I can get the chocolate chip ones. Hey y'all, I'm in Dollar Tree. Gotta get me some. Hey y'all, so I'm back home from grocery shopping. Went to Walmart and I picked up a few things, and then I went to Dollar Tree and picked up a few things, and then we went to Goodwill, but I didn't vlog that, but I'll show you guys what I got. So obviously besides food, I got me some snacks. I got me some banana nut muffins. I got me some chocolate chip Teddy Grahams, love those. I got some chocolate. I got some sour gummy bears, but they're in the refrigerator. And I grabbed me a case of Poppies. And then from Dollar Tree, I got me, it came with 2 packs of retinol under eye, because y'all know I love those. I got me a razor, I needed one. I got me and my mom some body wash, and y'all, this body wash is so good. It makes you feel so clean. And then I found this moisturizing shave oil, and it's Wildflowers pH balance. Cute. And then we went to Goodwill, and I found me 2 things because I have like a 40% off. So I found these cute like blue pants, and they're so cute. These was literally $1. And then I found this cute cardigan because y'all, it's been freezing out the door. So I found this cute like cardigan. Look at the colors, like The colors are so cute. But I need to put this in a wash because I'm gonna go wash my clothes right now. But I just want to show you guys what I got. Oh, and then my sister went out of town and she went shopping and she bought me something from Garage. And she got me and her the same thing. But she got me this butter yellow tank top. I can't wait to wear it. It's so cute. But yeah, that is my haul. And now let's go put my clothes in the washer. And then I need to take a shower because your girl is feeling dirt. I am out of the shower. My mom is making shepherd's pie. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But I just decided to make me a banana nut muffin until the food gets done. And I'm gonna sit and watch Living Single and relax. And I will catch you guys up later. Y'all look how it look. Oh, looks so good. Time to feast. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday. I think it's like 8 o'clock, 8 something. I don't know, y'all. My phone's in the room. But I am just getting ready. Today's agenda, I need to finish folding and hang up my laundry that I washed yesterday. I only have a little bit because I folded up some yesterday, so last night. But I just left the rest because I was tired. But I'm gonna make some coffee. I ate breakfast already, but gonna make me some coffee. That's literally it. I don't really have much to do. We were supposed to go to my uncle's like birthday dinner, but we did not go because we were grocery shopping for like a long time, so we didn't get to make it. But we texted them, so that's fine. But I'm just finishing up my skincare. Y'all, it is so cold out there. Door. Oh my gosh, it is freezing. I took my dog out this morning and I was like, skincare is done. Let's go make some coffee. Hey y'all, I put on a sweater. It is freezing and I just raised the AC so it can be warmer here and I'm freezing. But it's 9:10. I'm currently working on some stuff for this church. They want me to do some of their social media stuff, so I'm currently editing and watching clips and, you know, creating cute little templates and stuff for them. This is exciting, y'all. This is my first like social media little job they get to do, and I just been editing and look, but I have to do it like one by one. Very, very grateful to be able to do this. That's what I've been working on for a little bit. And I have a PR package coming. I'm trying to see where it's at so I can show you guys what I got, because I have to film content for them too. So, and I've been working on this video for like 2 weeks or a week and a half. I'm a perfectionist and I like to get stuff, like I like my stuff to look great. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. Y'all can sit and work with me. My PR package came and I'm excited to show you guys what's inside. I already opened it, but I'm gonna show y'all. So I got some goodies. It's from a it's from like an influencer marketing agency, I guess, called Statosphere, and you can pick like monthly, I guess, what stuff you want. So I got some stuff from Neutrogena. I got the Hydro Boost Hydrating Hydrogel Mask. It's a lot of hydro. Then I got the Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Water Gel. Looks like this, and I just gave my mom the same exact one, so I'm excited to have my own now. Then I got the Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Lip Balm, which I'm so excited. It smells so good, and it looks like this. Such a cute color. And then the last thing I got is the Hydro Boost Ultra Hydrating Serum, which, love me a good serum. It's so cute and tiny, and it looks like that. Grateful and blessed to get, but yeah, that's my little haul. But the only thing that I'm gonna do now is I made me a banana nut muffin. I'm just gonna lay down watching YouTube. But I think that is gonna be it for this week's video. Thank you guys for watching so much. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.